Hey guys, on the last video I did, I made all four of these puffy stickers. I made this one on the video, no, not that one, this one on the video, but I showed you all these three. Now, it's not about puffy stickers, it's about showing you my cats, because I think you should know them, because they are adorable. So let's go. So here is one. He is called Max, and he's not that scared of anything, really. He's nice. Yeah, aren't you? Yes, you're very nice. Yes. The other one is Lila, and she's like scared of everything. So, oh, you're meowing. I have no idea where Niff is at the moment. I call her Niff because she niffs everything. Like, bruh, that's just common sense. But yes, I'm gonna try find her. So, you know, let's have fun. Okay, so I'm blocking you out because my house is so messy at the moment, so yes, it's just nice. Oh, I see her tail. I see it. Oh, hello. You can, I don't know if you can tell the difference, but like Max is like right down here at the moment, and Lila's up here, so you can't really, you know, you can't, I'm gonna try to get Max up here. Yes. Right, sorry about this. I'm just getting Max. Max! Come on, up, up. Good boy. Hello. This is the bed, and here's a nice cushion. He's hiding it. There's the cushion. Here is another bed, and here's like a windowsill bed with. She loves her rock. Honestly, she does. Say hello. So. I hope you've enjoyed this, can you stop? Wow, a cat's life. So I hope you've enjoyed this video of meeting my beautiful kitties. Remember to subscribe and like all my posts, and have a good eyeball. Have a good day. Yes, you going to bed now? Yes, you are. You're both in bed. Bye-bye.